Hey, what's up guys, it's MTECHCARE here, and in this video I'm gonna show you how you can improve and speed up your old iOS devices. To do this you don't need a jailbreak device nor any app. We can do this by adjusting and playing with the default setting app, and trust me, the output will amaze you. So without any further ado, let's jump right into it. So guys, in the first step, open your setting app and now swipe down and now type background. Now select background app refresh and now turn it off. Now go back again and now type in the second step reduce and now select the reduce motion option. Now select it and now turn it on. What it's gonna do, it will remove the animation effect on your iOS devices, which will improve your iOS device performance. Now go back again and in this time type reduce transparency. Now select reduce transparency and then turn it on. So guys, in the first step what you're gonna do is go to your Siri and search option, and now there you will have find suggestion in search, suggestions in lookup, and suggestion on lock screen. Turn them off and now restart your iPhone and you will see a major improvement in your iPhone speed. After that, make sure that you have minimum 3 GB of free space in your iOS device. And now restart your iPhone or iOS device and you will notice major speed improvement on your iOS devices. So this is it in this video. Make sure you subscribe our channel and hit the like button and do comment. Thank you.